The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has given consent for construction of chariots for the iconic Ratha Yatra in Puri, Odisha. But still there is uncertainty regarding the festival due to coronavirus pandemic. If you look back the history of Jagannath temple and Puri, you will be surprised to know that this grand festival was not held for 32 years consecutively. But what could have caused that? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will peep into the history and legends to know why Puri Ratha Yatra stopped rolling. I request you to watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything. Now, without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. The Jagannath Temple of Puri, Odisha is one of the most important temples in the east coast of India. Puri is an important destination due to the famous Ratha Yatra which attracts over a million Hindu pilgrims every year. History reveals due to attacks on the temple by Islamic rulers between 1568 and 1735, Ratha Yatra could not be held for 32 long years. In 1568, Kala Pahar, the notorious Muslim general, invaded Odisha and marched up to Puri. Kala Pahar wanted to burn the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and goddess Subhadra. He did succeed in wrenching the idols from the temple. He threw the idols and kicked them around a bit before carting them all the way to banks of Hooghly and set fire to them. However, the core salagram stone has been removed from the idols before by the priests of temple who anticipated the attack. The Ratha Yatra could not be held for 9 years from 1568 to 1577 during the time of Kala Pahar. In 1601, Mirza Khurram, a commander of the Bengal Nawab, attacked the temple. But the priests saved the idols by shifting them to the Panchamukhi Goshani temple at Kapileshwar, about 13 to 14 km from Puri. Due to the shifting of idols, the Ratha Yatra could not be held. In 1607, Qasim Khan, the Mughal Subedar of Bengal, attacked the temple. The idols were hidden and taken to Khurda and kept in the Gopalajiu temple. As a result, the Ratha Yatra could not be held. The Ratha Yatra was not held in 1611 after Kalyan Mal, who was the son of famous courtier of Akbar Todar Mal, became Subedar of Odisha and attacked the temple. The idols were shifted beforehand to Mahisanasi in the Chilika lake. The festival was not held in 1617 after Kalyan Mal attacked the temple for the second time. Before the attack, the priest shifted the idols to Guru Baigad in Chilika lake. In 1621, the idols of the lords were shifted to Andharigarh in Banapur following an attack by the Muslim Subedar Ahmed Beg on the temple. Later, the Brahma of the idols was taken to Gadamanitri village in Khurda district. Due to the shifting of the idols, the Ratha Yatra could not be held for 2 years in 1621 and 1622. In 1692, Akram Khan, the Mughal commander in Odisha, attacked the temple. Prior to the attack, the priest shifted the idols to a place behind the Bimala temple in Khurda. From there, the idols were taken to Gada Kokala village near the Chilika lake and then to Bada Hantuara village in Banapur, where they were kept till 1707. Due to the absence of the deities in Jagannath temple, the Ratha Yatra could not be held for 13 years in Puri. The festival was not held in 1731 after Muhammad Taqi Khan, the Nayab Nazim of Odisha, attacked the temple. The idols were taken to Kankana Shekharikuda in Chilika Lake and then shifted to Harishwar Mandap at Nairi village in Chilika Tehsil, which is in Khurda district, and finally to Chikili village near the foothill of Chakadimbiri in Khalikot in Ganjam district. As Taki Khan attacked the Jagannath temple for the second time in 1733, the idols of the lords were shifted to Harishwar Mandap and then to the Marda temple near Hatibari hill in Polasara of Ganjam district, where the priests had to perform their secret rituals for more than 2 years. As a result, the Ratha Yatra could not be held for 3 years from 1733 to 1735. That's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. If you love the content, then please like, share and subscribe for more such awesome topics. See you in the next video. Bye.